Whiteboard application is your digital tool for brainstorming and collaboration. This tutorial video will introduce you to intelligent features that simplify and assist operations. AI script. Select the handwritten text and tap the AI icon to convert it to standard. Flex text. Select the standard text and tap the font size icon to adjust it. Standardized font sizes unify the font size of selected text and eliminate formatting differences. Export and share. Tap the export icon to save your work in HWB or PDF formats to local, USB, or cloud storage. Generate a QR code. Then participant can scan the code to download the file to their devices.